So now we are into the 19th question. So they have told that the principal amount is rupees 30,000, and this 30,000, it has to be divided into two parts, and each part it has to be given to each type of bond. Like 5% bond is there, interest bond, then 7% interest bond is there, and we have to determine how it should be divided into two types of bonds or amounts, and we have to obtain for the A part of the question rupees 1,800, and for the B part rupees 2,000 as the final interest amount. So if you check for the first part of the question, rupees 30,000, it has to be divided into two small amounts. Let them be X and Y. We have to find out how much is X. X is the amount that is put to 5% interest, and Y is the amount that is put to 7% interest, right? So we have to determine what is X and what is Y. So for this we are creating a matrix like this. Okay, let this matrix be the first matrix of the order 1 by 2, 1 row and 2 columns, because X is the amount that has to be put in 5% interest, and Y is the amount from 30,000 that has to be put in 7% interest. And first this matrix, it's multiplied with the interest matrix. Interest matrix, it's just the opposite order of this, 2 by 1. Why I am doing in this order means this 2 will get cancelled, and finally we'll be getting a 1 by 1 matrix, right? So what is the interest matrix, right? 5%, it is 5 by 100, and 7%, it is 7 by 100. And this has to be equal to the matrix 1,800. This is the final amount we need, right? So now just multiply 5x by 100 plus 7, this first row multiplied with first column, so this with this and this with this, 7y by 100 equal 1,800. Then 5x plus 7y by 100 is equal to 1,800, and finally 5x plus 7y is equal to, this 100 goes to the other side, it would be equal to 180,000 or 1.8 lakhs. So now from this part of the question, like what we did, we can find out that X plus Y is equal to 30,000, right? So now we have to cancel each other out, so we are making X factors as same, coefficients as same. Here we are having 1, right? So multiplying this equation by 5 to get 5x plus 5y equal 150,000 or 1.5 lakhs. So now we can subtract and eliminate. So now doing the subtraction, you will get that minus 2y, this one is negative, the second one, is equal to minus 30,000. So minus minus will be plus, and y is equal to 30,000 by 2, 15,000 rupees, right? And from the first equation, x plus y is equal to 30,000, you can also find out that x is also equal to rupees 15,000. So for the first part of the question, you have to put 15,000 rupees in 5% interest and 15,000 rupees in 7% interest. So the second part of the question, we need rupees 2,000 as the final interest, and for this one, just the value inside the bracket we are making it as 2,000, right? So now when we solve this, we'll get 5x plus 7y by 100 is equal to 2,000. 2,000. Now 5x plus 7y will be equal to 2 lakhs. Now this equation we can make it like 5x plus 5y is equal to 1.5 lakhs. This is our second equation, this is our first equation. This one I have multiplied with 5 in order to make the coefficient of x as similar, 5, right? So now we are doing 1 minus 2, so it would be 5x minus 5x would be 0, and 7 minus 5 would be plus 2y, and 2 lakhs minus 1.5 lakhs would be 50,000. So now y amount you can find it out as rupees 25,000, and x amount from this equation, if you substitute the value of y, you will get it as rupees 5,000. So rupees 5,000 should be put in 5% interest bond, and rupees 25,000, that is of y, it should be put in 7% interest bond. So this is the answer for the second question.